Good afternoon, everyone. We are out in Milton, Florida today at this 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home, 3197 Waterview Drive. This is in the Waterview Estates, so let's go ahead and take you guys inside. Lots of new improvements here. The home was basically flipped back in 2022, and you have just over 1,900 square feet in here. So upon entry, we are greeted by this amazing open floor plan. You do have the living room, and then off to the right, you get a formal dining area. And yes, that is a fireplace right there. And then to the left upon entry, you have this glorious kitchen, stainless steel appliances. I say we start here. So we're going into the kitchen now. You've got amazing quartz countertops, this gorgeous detailed backsplash, as well as that window detail. And you can see here stainless steel hardware, as well as your sink there, tri-sink. You've got your dishwasher and then your double door fridge and freezer pull-out drawer at the bottom. Ice maker and water dispenser, obviously. You've got a smooth top electric oven and stove, and then there's your built-in microwave with that vented option as well. So here we go. There's a nice view of it. I love the luxury vinyl that got put in. Again, that was 2022 as well. It just pulls in all those grays and stainless steel features in that kitchen. So walking over here, we do have what is currently used as a formal dining area. I think this is a great spot, and that's also going to lead us into the laundry room and our first bedroom in the home. So walking through here, you've got your laundry room, and then this is going to actually be bedroom number 1. It is currently being used as an at-home office right now, but you get these gorgeous windows here, so much natural light that's flowing through. And then, of course, you've got your closet. And then you do have a half bath in here. So this one is just going to be the toilet as well as the single vanity sink there. Beautiful. And then this door right here, so I guess you could call this a mother-in-law-esque type of suite, because this door does lead out to the front door where we were just at. So technically you could close this off completely and someone's gonna have everything they need, bedroom, bathroom, on this side of the house. So very fantastic if you have extended family that's gonna be living with you, or a friend, or you wanna rent that room out. You've got options there. Beautiful living area. Those doors do go out to the, as you can see, pool and backyard, which I will show you guys in a bit. A couple of other notable features on this home. Like I said, it was basically flipped in 2022. So you do have a brand new roof, a brand new water heater. The pool's got a new pool pump. The hardwood, or the LVP was put in. Just a lot of awesome upgrades that this home had. Here we are in the master bedroom here. You do have these gorgeous tray ceilings, and then you can see these barn doors actually lead you to your closet space. I think that is such a classy touch to kind of conceal your closet away rather than just a normal closet door. You can see you do have nice double door access to the back patio as well. Love that. And then let's take you into this primary bathroom. This one has all the bells and whistles here. It is going to be a single vanity sink, but you do have a standalone shower. So look at this, look at all of that up there. How crazy is that? All the knobs, bells and whistles in that shower. Gorgeous, could definitely fit 2. You have your own separate water closet in here, so this door can close and lock for privacy. And then last but definitely not least, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous garden tub. I love this feature. I love a good tub. You do have tiled around for easy cleanup. And then obviously you've got a detachable nozzle head there. I love this bathroom. I think it is so beautiful and definitely complements the primary suite well. All right, and that is just off the kitchen, as you can see, and you do have these double doors that will close. I think that's always makes for such a grand entrance into your primary bedroom. So just off the primary down the hall, you have your second and final full bathroom here. Again, this one's gonna be a single vanity as well. Plenty of under sink storage, a nice sized mirror there with that vanity lighting, tiled floors in all bathrooms. And then this one is going to be a built-in tub shower duo. So love that. You do have a linen closet behind the door there. And then we're gonna come into our third and final bedroom here. You do get a nice sized window, and then you also have two closets here. They're both gonna be accordion style pull doors. There you go, one on each side. And that is gonna be your closet space in the third and final bedroom here. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 half bath. So let's go ahead and take you guys outside and show you guys the backyard. So sliding door to access through the living room, and then obviously those double doors will go to the primary suite there. This pool did have a new pool pump installed in 2022, and it is a chlorine pool, so got chlorine there. And a wonderful landscaping around. I do love the feature that the pool is gated itself. So if you've got anyone with pets or small children and you don't want to let them out into the backyard because the pool isn't gated in, you do not have to worry about this. So you can completely gate off the pool to where no one can access if it is closed, which I love. So coming out into the backyard itself, you will get this generously sized shed out in the back. You can store lawn equipment, garden equipment. And then look at this view here, you guys. So you're actually right on the end of the canal that goes out to the lake that's here in Waterview Estates. So there you go, that gorgeous canal view there. And then look at how much backyard space you have, you guys. You not only get a privacy fence on the road, but back here you can still view all of the water features that are involved, and it keeps going. So you can see you've got all the space in the world in this backyard. And then actually, I don't know if you can see here, this is a separate enclosed area that the current owners are starting to turn over, but it is their own garden. So look at how much space you have here, you guys. You can continue this garden area, or you could pull up these fences and make this kind of like a little gazebo area right off the pool if you like hosting or entertaining. But this is such a unique feature, and you really just get so much yard space here. And then obviously you can see there is a gate that will lead down to the water. You can fish off of here, which is fantastic. Let's see if we can open. Yes. So this, you can go out of your gate. There are some seating areas here. And look at that awesome view down the canal, you guys. It's so peaceful out here. You really don't even feel like you're just a couple miles away from the beach, which is unbelievable. But again, this is 3197 Waterview Drive out in Milton, Florida. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1 half bath, just over 1,900 square feet. And we would absolutely love for you guys to come check out this amazing home.